What if one free AI tool could create stunning images, bring them to life, and even make characters talk with perfect lip sync? In this tutorial, I will show you how I used Google VEO 3 through Google Flow to create the African story you are about to watch, from designing characters, animating them, to adding dialogue for multiple characters. But first, watch the final story output before we dive into the tutorial.
My heart chooses Kofi, not the prince.
Your Majesty.
A queen's marriage is not only love, it is the shield of the empire.
A commoner may win your heart, my queen, but only a prince can unite kingdoms.
Must love always bow before the crown?
Today I marry not for myself, but for the future of our people.
Together, our kingdoms shall never fall.
The dialogue African story using Google VEO 3. You know Google VEO 3 is not free when you access it through Google Flow. So let's say Google Flow here. Then I go to Flow. You must have your Gmail account to be able to register with it, because I've registered already using my Gmail account. Okay, be informed that you have access to 150 AI credit on a daily basis. 150 AI credit, it is free. So the next one I'm going to go, the next interface is new project. I click on new project. Okay, I have my new project now. So what I want to do is to first of all, we can create an image using Google VEO 3 using Google Flow, because in Google Flow you have what's Nano Banana. You can see Nano Banana Pro 16 by 9 aspect ratio. You click on image. In case you want to generate a video, you click on generate a video. This is image. We have all the aspect ratio here. I'm clicking 1 or 2, and the options are several, and the options are free. You can see generating we use 0 credit. 0 credit. So if you want to generate image using Google Flow, you can just come to this place and access Nano Banana Pro, which is very free. Very free. I'll be generating 2 so that I can choose one out of the 2 images. So the story I have is an African story, which I will be going. I've already created it using ChatGPT. And the first creation says, I said, generate a 3-scene African story. The setting should be in African Empire. One, by the queens should marry a prince, not a commoner. You know, African Empire. There are several arguments why the queen should marry a prince. It's just a simple story for the purpose of this tutorial. So I now included that every prompt, every of the image or video prompt should include character definitions. Yeah, you can see this is the first dialogue 1 between Queen Zaria and Elder Inamdi. You can see the dialogue. The image prompt include Queen Zaria, young African queen, dark melanin skin. You know, the character definitions are embedded in the image prompt. Even the animation prompt too, he included for consistency. Even animation prompt is included. So what I'm going to do is to copy the image prompt. The image prompt, which will be cinematic. I come to this place and paste it here and go ahead and generate. Yes, this is it. You can see this is nice. I'll be choosing the first one. Anyway, however, if I want to animate, I'm going to click on animate. Yeah, it will just automatically animate. But I want to generate all the images I need to generate for this African story, so that I can highlight the consistency. Okay, again, that was the scene 2. You come here, scene 2, copy the image prompt. Then the next thing is to generate also. Oh yes, we have it now. We have the second one. Okay, let's look at the third scene. We have the third scene, which is the last one. Okay, let's say Queen Zaria. You know, I think the Queen Zaria character is becoming is consistent the way it is there. Okay, let's see. Generate another set. That's the last scene. Let me see the one I'll be animating before that one gets ready. This is Queen's area. Okay, the consistency is there. And the prince ought to marry is the consistency is there. This one is more clearer. I can see the faces. So I'm going to select that one. Okay, this is it here. The same Queen's area. And the prince is supposed to marry. Okay, that is it. Okay, this one, okay, there's the same prince, a commoner I was talking about. And the argument is that he should not marry a commoner. A commoner, okay. Okay, they got married at the end of the day. Okay, like this one is more clearer. This one is clearer, this one is more clearer. So I have 3 of them now. So which one should I animate? So let's just go. Let's go to the first scene. Let's click on the animation prompt and okay, I will animate this. This one I'm going to animate this. Yeah, you just click on these 3 dots, then you click on animate. Yeah, animate. I'm going to paste it here. Then you click on the options. That's 16 by 9. I only need 1 animation. That's what. Let me see the quality. The quality will determine the numbers of credit. I'm going to take out of it. Okay, let's say VEO 3.1. VEO 3.1 quality. VEO 3.1 fast 20. VEO 3.1 light 10. Let me say VEO 3.1 fast. Okay, so the next thing is to click on generate to continue to start the animation. So it's animating now. So the next one is the second one. If I don't know if I can animate why the other one is okay, I think I can do that. Okay, the second one is I'm going to animate this one. So let's go to the second animation prompt. The second animation prompt. Okay. Okay. And Queen's area. Okay. So it's this one I'm going to animate again. I'm going to animate this one. I'm going to animate this one. Then let me see the same aspect ratio, 1 fast. Okay, good. So click on animation. So let me go to the third one, which is okay, this one, copy. So let's look at the third scene. Okay, I will animate this one. This is it. Animate. Animate. Let me aspect ratio 2. Okay, 20 credit. Okay. Click on animate. So I have to wait for all this to finish animation. Okay, I think we are done. We are done with the video generation. Let us look at the first video. This is it. Let's click on this.
My heart chooses coffee, not the prince.
Your Majesty.
A queen's marriage is not only love, it is the shield of the empire.
My heart chooses coffee, not the prince.
Your Majesty.
A queen's marriage is not only love, it is the shield of the empire.
My heart chooses coffee, not the prince.
Wow, you can see this. This is it. Let's look at the second one. let's see other videos. Good videos we have. Nice one. Let's click on this.
A commoner may win your heart, my queen, but only a prince can unite kingdoms.
Okay.
Must love always bow before the crown?
A commoner may win your heart, my queen.
Wow, you can see how it is. So you can see, let's play it again.
But only a prince can unite kingdoms.
Must love always bow?
This is just the power of AI tools. You can use Google VEO tree to create your powerful storylines, and you can see a multi-character lip sync. The dialogue is very clear. Yes, you can also choose to download the video. You got the 3 dot here. You click in the 3 dot, you click on download, you choose your pixel. If you want 1080 pixel, you have to upgrade. You choose your 720 pixel, which is the highest, free for now. You click on this, download, just go ahead and click on it. and it download immediately. Thank you very much. I want you to subscribe to my channel. I also want you to like and also comment. Be the best.